Welcome to Utisam Mathematics. In this video, we want to find the expression k raised to the power 2025 plus 1 over k raised to the power 2025 when k plus 1 over k is equal to root 2. Okay, before I continue, if you have not subscribed, just click on the subscribe button. Let's start. We have k plus 1 over k is equal to root 2. Let's start from here. Let's square both sides. Now from algebraic identities, a plus b all squared is the same as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. So in the same way, on the left hand side, we are going to have k squared plus 1 over k squared plus 2 times k times 1 over k, which is equal to 2. The square will take care of the square root, so this will cancel. So we have k squared plus 1 over k squared is equal to, let's send this one to the right hand side. So k squared plus 1 over k is equal to 0. We can multiply both sides by k squared. So when we do that, we are having k to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have k to the power 4 is equal to minus 1 when we send this one to the right hand side. Okay, now we have to find k raised to the power 2025 plus 1 over k raised to the power 2025. Okay, let's take 1 and then work on it. Now k to the power 2025 can be written as k to the power 2024 plus 1. And from indices, if we have a raised to the power m plus n, we can split it and make it a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. This is the same as k raised to the power 2024 times k raised to the power 1. Now 2024 is the same as 4 times 506. So this one will be k raised to the power 4 times 506 times k raised to the power 1. So, and by indices, a raised to the power m or raised to the power n, you can write it as a raised to the power n or raised to the power m. So this one will be k raised to the power 4 or raised to the power 6 times k. And we know, we said that k to the power 4 is 1. So we have minus 1 raised to the power 506 times k. Now because this is even, when you raise any negative number to the power of any even number, you are going to get positive. So this implies that we are getting k. So k raised to the power 2025 plus 1 over k raised to the power 2025. This becomes k plus 1 over k. Or when we simplify this, we had k. And from the question, k plus 1 over k, this is root 2. That is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. Now, if you have not subscribed and you like this video, can you click on the subscribe button? You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be alerted. Bye.